Ever found yourself juggling multiple currencies, wrestling with hefty international transfer fees, or simply wishing there was a smarter way to handle your global finances? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving into a platform that's been quietly revolutionizing how businesses operate across borders, Airwallex. In a world that's more interconnected than ever, the need for seamless and efficient global financial solutions has exploded. Whether you're an e-commerce seller expanding into new markets, a startup paying remote teams across continents, or a business navigating the complexities of international trade, the traditional banking system often falls short. Think slow transfers, opaque fees eating into your profits, and the sheer administrative burden of managing multiple accounts in different currencies. It's a headache many of us know all too well. So, what makes Airwallex different? What's the secret sauce that has businesses around the globe turning to this platform? It boils down to a powerful combination of technology and a deep understanding of the challenges businesses face in the international arena. First and foremost, Airwallex offers a truly global account infrastructure. Imagine having multi-currency accounts in major currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, HKD, and many more, all within a single platform. This eliminates the need for setting up and managing numerous local bank accounts, streamlining your operations and saving you significant time and effort. You can receive payments like a local in these regions, avoiding those pesky international transfer fees that can quickly add up. But it's not just about holding different currencies. Airwallex empowers you to make international payments with remarkable speed and transparency. Their global network and sophisticated routing technology often result in significantly faster transfer times compared to traditional banking methods. And crucially, you'll have a clear view of the fees involved up front, eliminating those unpleasant surprises that can impact your bottom line. Beyond payments and collections, Airwallex offers a suite of powerful tools designed to simplify your financial workflows. Their virtual cards provide a secure and efficient way to manage online spending and subscriptions, with granular controls and real-time tracking. For businesses dealing with invoices, their platform often integrates seamlessly with accounting software, automating reconciliation and reducing manual data entry. Furthermore, Airwallex understands the nuances of specific industries. For e-commerce businesses, they offer integrations with popular marketplaces and platforms, simplifying payouts and currency conversions. For SaaS companies with international subscriptions, they provide robust solutions for recurring billing in multiple currencies. This industry-specific focus means Airwallex isn't just a generic financial tool, it's a tailored solution designed to address the unique needs of global businesses. What truly sets Airwallex apart is its commitment to innovation. They're constantly evolving their platform, adding new features and expanding their global reach to provide even greater value to their users. This forward-thinking approach ensures that businesses using Airwallex are equipped with the latest tools to navigate the ever-changing landscape of international finance. In essence, Airwallex provides a modern, tech-driven alternative to traditional banking for global businesses. It's about efficiency, transparency, and empowering businesses to operate seamlessly across borders without being bogged down by outdated financial processes. It's about taking control of your international finances and focusing on growth, rather than getting lost in a maze of fees and complexities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.